For 7 days, every American satellite clock goes silent. No precise timing, no reliable navigation, no warning. The United States depends on one invisible system more than any weapon, more than any aircraft carrier. That system is GPS. For decades, Americans have treated GPS as a convenience, a map in the pocket, a voice in the dashboard, a blue dot on a screen. But behind that simplicity lies a fragile strategic system, operated by the U.S. Space Force, funded by the Department of Defense, synchronized through atomic clocks. Every transaction, every flight path, every logistics network depends on it. If that signal vanished for 7 days, the United States would not slow down, it would destabilize. The global positioning system is not one network. It is a layered architecture of satellites, ground stations, encryption modules, and timing references. Control flows through NORAD, U.S. Stratcom, and classified space operations centers. Civilian signals ride alongside encrypted military channels, known as M-code. The system depends on extreme precision, nanoseconds, drift, synchronization. Disrupt that timing, and infrastructure collapses silently. GPS does not fail only through destruction, it fails through interference. Electronic warfare units already practice jamming. Spoofing systems can imitate satellite signals. Cyber intrusions can target ground control. Adversaries invest heavily in anti-satellite weapons and space-based interference. Some systems remain classified, others are publicly tested. Even brief disruption exposes weakness in critical infrastructure: ports, pipelines, rail systems, power grids. Modern U.S. warfare is synchronized by satellites. Precision munitions, drone swarms, missile defense, carrier strike groups all depend on satellite navigation and timing. Without GPS, targeting degrades, situational awareness collapses, joint operations lose coordination, missile defense systems lose alignment, space-based sensors lose calibration. The U.S. military remains powerful, but power without precision becomes risk. Financial markets run on time synchronization. Banks verify transactions through satellite clocks. Data centers align global traffic with GPS timing. Transportation depends on FAA next-gen navigation. Shipping relies on port automation. Emergency services rely on location accuracy. Without GPS, supply chains fracture, prices fluctuate, insurance risks rise. The digital economy slows, quietly, systemically. Washington knows this vulnerability. The Department of Homeland Security and CISA monitor GPS resilience. DARPA develops alternative navigation. The NSA secures timing networks. Congress funds backups, E-LORAN systems, inertial navigation, quantum timing research. But redundancy remains incomplete. Modern systems were built around satellite certainty. Replacing that assumption takes decades. A 7-day GPS outage is unlikely, but it is plausible. Solar storms, cyber escalation, orbital conflict, technical failure. Each scenario has precedent. In a crisis, rivals would exploit uncertainty. Markets would hesitate. Allies would recalibrate. Deterrence would weaken. Cyber warfare and space control now shape power projection, not tanks, not fleets. America's influence depends on invisible precision. When timing fails, authority weakens. This is not science fiction, it is strategic physics. If one signal can shake an empire, what happens when it disappears again?